Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Na friends mami.
Tanoh.
Asam na asa na mbeba so no. Me better had books me are making kind of comparison on me there be a crap na say me nya ye kura me. Ade better han kan ye me kan book yi asem. O better have first thing no say book ya na me bo ho nsem ama PP. Ohima. The wo book we be pa na o kenkan ya. Be fem. Brofo pa. Hwe
Brofo wo mu anase san.
Me say brofo a chese.
Omo de atworo no.
Brofo ko ahwidi anka ho. Forward no. Abin dia mo abin. And dia me nkan da down. Forward no. General secretary no try. Na book ni far by nyina chese. Omo say what we have done so far 2017 to 2020. They are titled leadership of service. Now, General Secretary will throw the forward new year. This book, what I'm reading for, just a small idea. I say this book, which has been titled "Leadership of Service," what we have done so far is a phenomenal compilation of the good works of the government of His Excellency President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo in the past 3.5 years to 4 years. And I say it does chronicle sector by sector, sector by sector achievement of the government vis-a-vis the party's 2020 manifesto promises and accordingly accounts for the stewardship of His Excellency the President. It means more account. Now the share and mind sectors by sector no can panso Attorney General and Minister for Justice. Me say but omo outline in some of the court. And ebi wo say ya Broja Jemfi versus Attorney General. Plaintiff challenged the constitutionality of a military cooperation agreement with the United States of America in 2018, writ dismissed by Supreme Court. Dominic Ayeni versus Attorney General.
Sending you achievement.
Abba! Previous government,
me say, kwa do ba kwa ye di bo MPP for ni say ya to judges. Ama.
Oba pe before ba be, omo ni asem bia court. O say Dominic Ayeni.
But say we mo adade mo amubu kwa matro.
Na me can say. Omo NDC for boy including them has said join MPP for yes omo ya kromfo na omo ya corrupt na yentu ye ba ye yentumi improve yo. Okay. Nyama na e kire say yetumi and Attorney General
maintenance here.
Better now what you say.
Say what you book according to
what you say on we are from.
Omo bu akonta de che Ghana for. E di niam omo buy omo aye no. E bi no omo kama Ghana for.
Me be say omo pay go for buy.
I want one here book no so. What the number of pages are book?
Roll is not na tell
you court.
You see,
it is NDC neighbor can say ya nya hwe.
Mbia no mo fi say nya achievement but when do say achievement.
Me say NDC ba power 2000 now omo when ni case back. Omo say judges now President Kufuor na appoint omo na judge aye say na
was it Dominic Ayeni versus Attorney General? Plaintiff sought declaration by the Supreme Court that retirement age of public office holders pursuant to Article 191D is 60 years and not beyond 65 years and challenge the appointment of special prosecutor. Case dismissed. No yeah achievement.
Well, we need case. Now we need case and achievement.
Abdul Malik
who we need case. Who say achievement?
Abdul Malik Kokubako.
There na o chere no me ntia.
Plaintiff sought to
Attorney General ton koko ana. Nti wa ton koko nti.
Plaintiff challenge
why the case are court? We win.
Removal of
another Attorney General start to die.
On person be what you
because Attorney General on see
na ye jama o me nti oba sector na ye review pa Dr. Frimpong Boati.
Okay. Lands and natural resources. And I know.
Environment, science, technology, and innovation. You will have free year as a Mama, making canning in us. Was it programs and projects targeted in 2016? 1. Science, technology, and innovation. Building S&T infrastructure. Building capacity in machine tooling and foundry technology. PLC robotics and AI. And no about environment. Implementation of Act 917 and LI 2250. Management of plastic waste. Bullet points. Management of plastic waste. Prevention of land degradation. And
how did you manage the plastic waste?
What do you think about now? Mambia, kito in mass, Papa Master. Let's see what they have. Maybe we are so. The professor from what in the sector was a foundry. Mambia saw in foundry. Foundry,
okay.
Foundry was say foundries are established to make metal castings possible. Oh, that is bullet point 1. Foundries are established to make metal castings possible.
Okay.
Bullet 2. Casting is used for making complex shapes that will be difficult or uneconomical to make by other methods. Bullet 3. Metal castings are part of every car and truck. Every rail. Oh, Nyabuche.
Because a textbook edition.
Was it metal castings are part of every car and truck, every railway car and engine, every building and every piece of heavy equipment used for construction and agriculture and much more. Much more.
What were you trying to say?
Presently, common items such as covers of drains, manhole covers, fire hydrants, sewer and water pipes are imported. The foundry we are establishing will change all this.
We are establishing.
Page, you know what Page, you know what
okay, am I establishing?
Artist impression. There is
the way forward and answer I more achieve.
Foundry no. Who and then be or more trouble. Now, so we see foundry. Yes, foundry. And yes, but whatever it is, this is the artist impression.
Okay.
When any idea of foundry hole.
Where's are you for a blacksmith to photo?
Yes. When so a picture of a say a generator or more and more to be at was a foundry no normal idea.
Okay, foundry no money machine said they call foundry.
And yes, we're gonna have foundry no more a picture and war and now machine will so a idea we see foundry with the basic hope. Now a house here. Was one idea or more yet? Was it African light and crystallography? Was it you? Synchrotron light source is broadly applied to diverse fields such as material science, pharmaceuticals, chemistry, physics, medicine, chemical engineering, geology, archaeology, paleontology, environmental pollution, energy science, crystallography is a technique used for the
textbooks were Asani Tanoh, wrap it up. Because of your time, wrap it up, mama.
In wrapping up on COVID, by force, young panel. Me say it can never happen in this country. Yenye aban poultry farm no can say coxes Joseph be echi into work of veterinary say omra mewe pan ye we are not yenye nkoko me na me me ho nam say vaccine me nwo you cannot force me and there say you want vaccine against probably malaria yet ha me we kurase no me na nam no ye wo nhaban a ye di gu ye hwenum say kata aban no up to date no scientist no government has given our scientists sikasa aban no nyina wo ho. The better sa and habana near dig we no a nasal pharynx nimu a bibia wo to me ko bie ma wan kasa to me ehome yie obi ma institution bi escase won fanya research na yan twin to say the kwa FS o ma twen ade no project to sense no na nka yanya ne to say eye drop na sisi ye friend say ye stores mu a ye ton a obetumi akofa bi na wo dia so ohunum say bia unya nesa blockade and ase bibisa ginger horo no man minister mo kasa ye ni ye friend say I don't know whether we have enough to protect and to build our immune system. You cannot force me to go. What do you say? Someone decide about Numa Pibegu because me Makasa Mingono. Dear Messi Mewa said Cuba or Modian Bar any Mewa. But in this idea, dear one said despite
Cuba for anything.
Of course, yes. You understand? Indeed, we are not
now Cuba for someone for be my.
We are not anybody's poultry farm. Now we beg say yanko warm COVID vaccine. It is not a guarantee. Say we omo katakata no maso. Omo first, second, third, and boosters. But they don't want to publish that information. And no more force them. The force to ensure say you never call by force. And yet a bind Ghana bind na kumam so because you call by force. A yamanonisha say and the idea to Africa so say by force you understand? So I am saying sir, this mandatory COVID vaccination, it is not something that is happening globally. Into young dying. Your friend saying Gibraltar. One of the smallest, they have vaccinated 100%. So saying COVID. COVID. This doctors are banned on my say ABC. What politician will be say? Their doctors they are on the field. They see it. So Obia was first, second, third job or what booster. And so but those statistics, they don't want to publish it. And there be I think so that I say. The wa yare an wunya enya o te say anka be me ameti hay me ginger prekese hwentia me yam ni nyina fra me de onion ne garlic account na ma chim your friend say lime agu me solution am no no to boost my immune system. You cannot force me sabe na na do me mba be di fie sabe Ministry of Health me mba be di fie no aka say wo de ade mba be sambe mo na mo ka kire say the most effective protective measure any mask no and now me mask I will say ma need FM because raba say a friend say wo ngo bia meanwhile the time I didn't buy virus no yeah so called experimental vaccine mostly the mask is the most important why you ya share sabe sin and then the me mask wo say ma baby SM ba and now be a wa bi no otumi dey sign me me bana se nipa na wo bi na se me masa wo se there be what kind of logic is this into make can
Utie oha extra punk no needs FM